At first glance, this is just the Indian flag, but I have an interesting idea for it. Let's analyze this flag to see if my character could actually watch TV comfortably here. Step 1 is finding a place to sit and then a spot to set up the TV that just arrived from Amazon. Let's install it here and then take a seat right in this spot. Wait, this isn't good. Sitting like this is uncomfortable. To be fair, I won't be able to use a chair, let alone a sofa, and finding the best spot is the whole point of this video. The Indian flag is definitely not the best place to watch A/B list videos. I'm going to test another flag. Even though I'm uncomfortable here, my biggest problem is the distance from the TV. I can't even see my favorite flag videos from this far back. Another flag we could test is the Cambodia flag. Maybe King Suryavarman II will lend us the keys to Angkor Wat so we can go inside. Or maybe not. So let's just find a spot out here for our TV. I think this is the best spot for the TV, and we can sit right here. Notice how the distance between me and the TV is pretty reasonable, unlike the Indian flag. But since this flag represents a real place, we have to consider the weather. A rainstorm, for instance, could fry our TV and we wouldn't be able to watch YouTube videos anymore. Let's get out of here. This is the Canadian flag. I hope things get better here. In this flag, we have some opportunities to watch TV comfortably, without storms or lacking a place to set up the TV. Now let's install the TV right here and take a seat right there. Perfect. This is the best flag to watch TV so far, but I'm still going to look for an even better one. Israel. I'll admit that when I first started looking at flags for my videos, I imagined the Israeli flag would be the best one, but then I realized it's not. It doesn't have a proper spot to install a TV. The Star of David is all tilted. The Israeli flag definitely didn't pass the test. Vietnam. Taking everything I've said so far into account, I can honestly say that the Vietnamese flag is the best one to watch YouTube videos on a TV. It has a perfect, comfortable spot to sit and the ideal distance from the screen. Well, now I'm just going to hang out here while I watch the rest of the A/B List channel videos.